Pasok yan, kaibigan. Judge, pwede ba? Hindi ba kung konti mo lang kaya yan? 3 sachet lang. Padre, 3 sachet lang. Palusutin mo. Bigayan yan. Same manner, kung ikaw meron dyan, tawagan mo. Ganon ang human being. The human frailty. Ang eroplanong sakyan ko, ma'am, wala na, natuyo na yung... Kanina pa kasi nag-andar yung makina. Sabi ko, mag-alis na ako, painitin mo lang. Ngayon, nag-overheat daw, wala na akong masakyan. Ako? I would just say, I'm trying my very best, period. I do not claim any great success, maybe failures here and there, but I would make the assessment na ginagawa ko lahat ko sa trabaho ko. Because I'm paid for it. That's why I get the highest salary in this government. Bayad ako. So, katrabaho ako. I'm paid and I work. I got elected and I give to the people what they want. They want a graft-free government, makukuha nila. Makukuha ninyo. Oh. Drug-free, graft-free.
So we're still on track, sir, sa target na natin around 6 months.
Well, I would say nandito ako because if not, I would not be standing here before you.
Okay, last question.
Sige, sir.
Sir, good afternoon. Mr. President,
Yes.
Vice President Denny Robredo, in a report said that she plans to talk to you regarding your opposition in the burial of former President Marcos.
Look.
Any comment on this, sir?
My oath of office says to enforce the laws of the land. Here is a family whose father or husband was a former soldier. Maybe not true that he was a hero. I will grant you that. But he was a president. And he wants to be buried. And the law says they should be, they should be buried there. And that is my oath of office. Whether it is really to the liking of the majority of the Filipinos, or whether they find me obnoxious for allowing it, that is the law. And I'm sorry to say that we have to enforce the law. Now, there are planned demonstrations and protests. Well, this is what I would say to them. Just coordinate with the traffic people so that your right, your constitutional right to protest is equally shared by the constitutional right of others to use their streets. So we can plan something like occupying, give us notice in advance so we can reconfigure the traffic for the day, and you'll have the unbridled, unhampered, undisturbed protest that you like. There will be no policemen, there will be no soldiers. You have the streets. If you want to protest 1 day, fine. 2 days, fine. 3 days, fine. 1 month, fine. And I will declare a holiday throughout the country.
Follow-up, Mr. President. Recently also, a group filed a petition at the Supreme Court. In the event of a decision or a TRO issued by Supreme Court, would that change your decision, sir?
TRO to restraining order?
Yes, sir. There's a group of or organization against the burial that filed a petition at the Supreme Court. In the event of a TRO, would that change your decision, sir?
I wouldn't want to speculate, actually. I would not want to preempt the court. You can discuss it, it's really sub judice. But just short of blurting out my position on the matter, I would rather that I would just wait for, I may open myself, I'm a lawyer, so I better watch out. But I would follow what the highest court of the land would order us.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
the rule of law.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you